police preparing to take the fight to criminals. This is Operation Platinum Belt. It was launched nearly 2 months ago. Since then, over 1,000 criminals have been arrested and 35 illegal firearms and pangas have been confiscated.
So far, we have about more than 35 firearms that we have confiscated, making sure that we clear this area. And if 35 firearms in one area from June to date comes out of the area like this, it shows about how much work that still needs to go into this area.
The operation was launched days after the strike at the platinum mines ended. During that time, many were intimidated, attacked, assaulted and killed.
We have decided to intensify this operation just to make sure that the safety and security of the people, especially around the Platinum Belt, is secured, and we make sure that the incidents that we have seen sporadically taking place where people have been shot, have been killed in broad daylight, we make sure that we clean this area, especially on things like firearms.
The police minister was also on hand.
We are currently working on these issues. For instance, in Boitukong, we are working with the municipality in identifying a site central to the community so that the issue of accessibility is then also taken into account as and when we erect and construct a police station in that area.
Residents in Marikana and Wonderkop have welcomed the deployment.